Breaking: Etsy just rolled out advanced fingerprinting. Are you protected? Using regular browsers with incognito mode gives you zero protection. Etsy can still read your real fingerprint through Canvas APIs, audio context, and WebGL hash values. The solution combines 3 layers of protection: unique browser fingerprints, dedicated IP addresses through proxy assignment, and isolated cookie and session storage per profile. Keep a journal of what works and what doesn't on Etsy. Each platform has its own quirks, and learning them gives you a significant advantage. If you work with a team, use Multilogin's profile sharing feature. Each team member can access specific profiles without seeing each other's credentials. Team collaboration becomes seamless. Share browser profiles with team members without exposing credentials or compromising security. Get ahead of the competition. While they're getting banned, you'll be scaling safely.